Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 4 from sloka number 31. Yajnashishtamrita bhujah yanti brahma sanatanam nayal lokostya yajnasya kutonyah kuru sattama. Krishna is telling, "O best of Kuru dynasty, O Arjuna, without sacrifice, no one can live happily even in this world. Then what then of the other world? Evam bahuvidha yajñāh vitata brahmano mukhe karmajan vidhitan sarvan etajñātva vimokṣyase." The sacred literature constitutes many such sacrifices. Be aware that they are born from action, and thus, knowing you shall be liberated. Shreyan dravyamaya yajñād jnānayajñah parantapa sarvam karmakhilam partha jnāne parisamapyate. The highest sacrifices is that of wisdom, which is superior material sacrifice, because whatever may be accomplished by action is realized only in wisdom. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadeshyanti te jnanam jnaninastatvadarshinaha. That wisdom can be acquired through humble resignation, significant queries, and by rendering service to the wise who have realized the truth. They, in return, will impart wisdom unto you. Yajñātvā na punarmoham evai yasyasi pandava yena bhutanyasheshena drakshasyatman yatho mayi. O son of Pandu, once you have gained this wisdom, you will no more be deluded, for that knowledge enables you to see all living beings in terms of their common spiritual essence as one with you and living in me. Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakrittamah sarvam jnanaplavenaiva vrajinam tantar. Knowledge. Yathai dhamse samigdho kurute anagni sarvakarmani kurute tatha. O Arjuna, the fire of this supreme knowledge reduces all karmic reactions to ashes, just as a raging fire reduces wood into ashes. Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitramiha vidyate tatsva yai yoga samsiddha kalenatmani vindati. There is nothing more purifying than transcendental knowledge. One who is perfect in devotion realizes this understanding within himself in due course. Shraddha vallabhate jnanam tatparas संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् आचिरेणाधिगच्छति. One who has faith and who with controlled senses is devoted to attaining this wisdom is successful in his endeavor. With wisdom and knowledge, he quickly attains the supreme peace. अज्ञश्च श्रद्धधान्यश्च संशयात्मा विनश्यति नायल्लोकोऽस्ति न परः न सुखं संशयात्मनः. Those who are ignorant, untrustworthy, or suspicious or lost, there is neither happiness nor success in this world or the next for the doubting soul. योगसन्न्यस्तकर्माणं ज्ञानसच्छिन्नसंशयम् आत्मवन्तम् न कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय. Oh Dhananjaya, one who has get rid of action through devotion and whose doubt is removed by knowledge and is thus composed in his self is not bounded by karma. तस्मादज्ञानसम्भूतं हृत्संज्ञानासिनात्मनः चित्वैनं संशययोगम् आतिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ भारत. Now, Arjuna, try to do your duty, having thus removed all your doubts arising from ignorance with the sword of knowledge. Take refuge in yoga and stand for battle. ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे ज्ञानकर्मसन्न्यासयोगो नाम चतुर्थोऽध्यायः.